What's up, y'all? Appreciate y'all tuning back into the channel. I go by RonpTv, and today we're going to be talking about gain staging your audio interface. A lot of people don't know what gain staging is, and if you don't, I'm going to explain it right now. Gain staging is very important before recording your vocals, and it don't matter what kind of interface you use, whether it's an Apollo Twin, whether it's the Focusrite, whether it's M Audio, don't matter what interface you use, you always want to do proper gain staging. Gain staging is when you adjust your microphone's volume loud as you possibly can without clipping or making your voice sound distorted. Because once your vocals is distorted or your gain is too high, there's no way to fix it. You can mix all you want to, it's just gonna sound horrible. I'm gonna give y'all a demonstration of when your gain is too loud on your microphone, what it sounds like. So this is how it sounds. It sounds horrible, right? It's too much. Make sure before you start recording your vocals, you adjust that volume knob, and it usually will go into the red. If you're too loud, it usually pretty much all interfaces. If the vocals is too loud, the meter will go into the red. You don't want it to be in the red, but you also want it to be loud enough without going into the red. You know what I'm saying? So if you're a quiet rapper or singer, you know, you want to adjust that gain knob as loud as you can without going in the red. Or if you're an artist that you're a screamer or you're loud on the microphone, then you want to dial that knob, that gain knob down some. All right. Also, another thing you want to know before recording vocals is being too close to the microphone. Even if you adjust your gain knob, you still can't be on the microphone very close because you still get that same sound. You don't want that. The best distance from a microphone would be about 6 inches or so. And once you do those things, properly gain staging your microphone and giving the mic a decent distance, you can start recording your vocals and you're going to get a better sound, cleaner audio, and it's going to be easier to mix those vocals. That was today's video. If you found this video helpful at all, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell. And also, I have a free vocal preset right here that's going to be downloadable for free in the description. You may have to tweak it a little bit, but overall, this is a good preset right here, and I'm giving it to you for free. It's the easy, clean vocal preset. So make sure y'all go in the description, download it. Appreciate y'all watching. Till the next time, peace.